Hi parents, Ms. Shub here again. I wanted to create a video to support you and your child at home when you're working on the subtraction homework with them. Today we subtracted 2 and 3 digit numbers using the algorithm. I wanted to make this video to remind you and your child about how to subtract, as well as using the same language. So when we write our problem, we make sure we give our numbers lots of space. So for example, if we have 352 minus 137, we would have a nice amount of space so that in case we needed to do any decomposing, we would have the space. We use this little jingle today. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Okay, so if we if we subtracted and we did not have enough, or we had more on the floor, we would need to go next door. So for example, I need to take away 7 from 2, and we're always starting in the ones place. I cannot take away 7 from 2, I have more on the floor, so I go next door to get 10 more. I'm going to take the 10, I'm going to decompose it and give it to the ones place so that we have enough ones to take 7 away. So I have 5 tens, so I'm going to take one of those tens, and it's then going to become 4 tens, and this is going to become 12 because I'm taking the 10 ones from there and giving it to the ones place. So we talked about how your child can either show that by writing a 1 just like that, or they can cross this out and make it a 12 like that as well. As long as they can see that now 10 more has been given here to provide the ones place with enough to subtract 7. So then we subtract. 12 minus 7 is going to equal 5. Then we go to the tens place, more on top, no need to stop. So 4 tens minus 3 tens would be 1 10. And then our hundreds, more on top, no need to stop. 3 hundreds minus 100 would be 2 hundreds, for a difference of 215. Please make sure that when you are going next door to get 10 more, you're talking about how you decomposed a 10 to give it to the ones place. We use that word decompose, meaning to break it apart to provide the ones place with enough. And if we were to have to decompose 100, I'll do that in the next video to show you.